This is Al Madam ghost village buried in the sand dunes a long time ago. Nowadays it's a reminder how strong and merciless the nature is. And this is what we're having today, half-covered buildings with the sand. The village has a couple of houses and the center of it is a grand mosque. So what's up, Vasily is here guys, and I welcome you to my new episode. And here I am in Sharjah Emirate, in the village of sands, let's say, and yeah, the people calling this village the bird village in the desert. So here I am, and regarding my research I've done in internet, it's about like 40-30 years ago the government of Dubai decided to build this village to provide it as a permanent settlement for the local Bedouins who lived before in the desert, and their lifestyle was a kind of a primitive. So the government of Dubai decided to give them a land and make their life more civilized and advanced. So behind my back you can see the Grand Mosque, guys. So we're gonna visit a couple of buildings over here, and let's start with the Grand Mosque, guys. So guys, behind my back is the Grand Mosque of the Bird Village, and I believe and I think that it's one of the gorgeous still existed building here in the village. And let's get in. I'll show you from inside how does it look like. So basically this is the main prayer hall for the males, I believe. So this is what you can see here. Nothing special, it's a huge room, and yeah. So people coming here still worshipping the Allah, and I believe some people who passing through this area, they coming here and pray also, because over here there is a kind of place where you can pray. There is a prayer mats. So this is the mosque, and also this mosque has a minaret, just one, and I tried to see if there is any access to get up to minaret. You know, being here between these half-buried buildings is kind of creepy, because you know the weather right now is not that perfect. It's kind of like, you know, cloudy weather, wind, and all these half-buried buildings makes it feeling like, I don't know, kind of mysterious and scary. I believe, guys, it took like more than 50 years for the sand to cover all this building, and the scene here is really mysterious. Wow, look, literally this is the entrance to the room or whatever, like building, and it's just a half frame, door frame visible, and then nothing. There is just like huge dune inside the building, you know. Yes, let's get in one of the not covered with the sand building. You can see it's like quiet room. I don't know, maybe it was office or something, because it looks like it's not like living area was before. So you can see a lot of writings over here. Mostly it's the names of people who was here, and yeah, this is what we can see here. But you cannot find here anything from that era except of few pieces of, I don't know, this was, I believe. And here another room, I believe it was kind of a bathroom, like toilet something. Yeah, so because there's the tiles, definitely it was. Let's say there is like around like maybe 15 buildings still stands here in this kind of village, and out of 15 buildings you can enter and see like from inside maybe like only 5 of them, right? And this is the one of them over here just behind my back. Even there still exists half of the door. I believe it's the original one, but half destroyed also. I believe actually, guys, that it was not kind of settlement for living, but I think it was kind of, I don't know, the hospital kind of area, I don't know, like clinic area, because it doesn't seem like it's kind of apartments was here or villas. It doesn't even look like a villa settlement, you know. I was actually trying to search as much as I can about this place, but honestly I cannot find a lot of information in the internet. So far I know that it was built like about 40, 30 or maybe even 50 years ago, and it's a good attraction for the tourists and locals, residents, to spend at least a couple of hours here exploring these dunes and the settlement. Place worth to be, you know, guys, worth to be. There is a nice scene, and now actually I got a lot of people, locals over there, so people coming here to enjoy. However, guys, the desert took over of the settlement, and it's slowly getting sink in the sand dunes. Also, guys, consider to wear something really convenient shoes, because there is a lot of sand. There is only sand, nothing else, you know. And I feel like my shoes full of sand already. I'm getting same as a village, getting sink in it, you know. Hey people, I hope you enjoyed this episode and you really enjoy watching this ghost village buried in sand and the spectacular views from the sky. Guys, Vasily was here from Dubai, from Sharjah today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this video with your friends and family, subscribe on my channel. There is a lot of content is yet to come. Vasily was here, guys. See you in the next video. Ciao.